Greetings, my people. The wounded civilian is back. I am the wounded civilian. You are the wounded civilian. Because we are the one that is feeling the pain. We are in this struggle together. We are the neglected ones. We have been wounded physically, economically, psychologically, democratically, in every way. That is the reason we must join together to push for change. Real change, not this kind of Buhari stupid change. We are talking about real change. Change that will bring light to the nation. That's why today I'm going to break it down so that everybody will understand what I'm talking about. Got to break it down for old people, young people that they understand me. First, let me start from this Obasanjo. He did for news yesterday say Obasanjo and versus Nnamdi Kanu. Sahara report put out for headline say Nnamdi Kanu threatening Obasanjo. They do a massive say Nnamdi Kanu threatening King. I say it will be Obasanjo. Obasanjo supposed to die. If Obasanjo no die, that country not go move forward. Who is Obasanjo? Obasanjo when they talk nonsense. He go to northern state, go they talk nonsense. Now he talk say, may them do everything by everything. May they take silence in Nnamdi Kanu. Now the guy, what do you mean silence him? Now the guy retaliate say, if anything happen to you, Obasanjo and his family, they could go down. Then they right. Narrating, Nnamdi Kanu not be coward. Where you feel cow around, where you feel do as you like. The time when I take rulers, do that kind of thing, don't pass. It's a new dawn now. The time of freedom is now. Make una get the message. That's why I support this Biafra agitation thing. Where a group of people will not even reach 200. Now go to decide our fate. Who go be president? Who not go be president? We don't tire. The same Obasanjo is supposed to be for prison or put her for cage. Go dump her for inside one hole. Because that man is the part of Nigerian problem. Now the truth that they tell you. I love my Yoruba people. Fela is like a god to me. Ganifa where you mean? Fayose. I know some not like Fayose, but I like him. Not be saying too good. But somebody will not they fear. If they fearless. Fenika your not be saying too good. But they get mad. Who go fit talk for Nigeria now, apart from these two people? Who they talk? Governor Wake, he go Sokoto go they bad down for his slave master. How you go Sokoto go they bad down for Sultan Sokoto? How you go there? What they go there for? What they grant? Problem they grant will never solve. When I go there, go they fool us. So I dey like these people. When I dey talk to Obasanjo, don't be say I hate my Yoruba people. Fela is like a god. It's like if you reach my palo, Fela picture they there. It's like a god to me. Now they give me power. 19. Now I they look they do what I they do so. So but at the truth now they talk. Obasanjo supposed to die. The atrocity, the genocide when he commit during civil war, he never do him. We be say he not go keep him mouth shut. Now he be the only person we don't rule that country. When he go come here talk. He go come there go talk. The Biafra people, they be human being. Igbo people are human being. Now we be say 90 or 80% of Igbo they agitate for them state, for them Biafra. Now follow see the way the Obasanjo they talk now go take settle ram. Go they say kill them. They don't mean anything. They mean something. These people, you think the way it is now, you feel silent them again? You don't feel silent them again. Now to find solution, whether you remain together for country, not be to Messian. Obasanjo supposed to die. More go put out for news. If he not die, Nigeria not be only one. People like him, they're plenty there. Babangida, all of them, even go one. They're supposed to die for Nigeria to better. The same Obasanjo, when I remember that way, Governor Otom of Benue State, he said he want to encourage the youth with wheelbarrow. You know the whole nation verse. If you want to encourage the youth with, if you want to empower the youth, empower them with education, empower them with infrastructure, empower them with jobs, not with wheelbarrow. Maybe they go to push wheelbarrow where your own children go for London, the school. Now so you take they encourage the youth. Even for Edo, Obaseki, they encourage the youth with keke napep tire. Which kind of nonsense be that one? Senator Sani from Kaduna, he encourage the youth with a transmitter. That's radio transmitter. That's small radio. Now, soon after they encourage you, want to pick in there for London, there for America, they school for there. This same as they talk all those one. Obasanjo dress up. You know, say that confusion either man they want. He go for this Benue. He go meet the governor where they say why encourage the youth with wheelbarrow because that governor did there now for first time. He didn't want come out for second time. He go there. He go there carry hand go up for crab and saying he endorse him. Let you they endorse him. Let the youth decide for themselves for Benue. Benue is not your state. Make you leave government alone now. Make you stay. You're 30-something years when you become president. Not be some people not suppress you. Why they suppress the youth? You not gonna leave the Nigeria alone? People you everywhere, but you they cause problem here and there. The other day, Kanu, they killed the Christians for Kanu. Sata Kaduna, I mean to say. This pastor talk say, you know good. DSS before you know it, DSS they go catch him. Suleiman they go catch Suleiman, they go question him because he talks say make Christian time to defend yourself. Okay, what about the Hausa Fulani people when they kill the Christian there? Till today nobody don't arrest them. As with this whole thing they go on, or pass you go there, go they embrace Governor El-Rufai. This man they always cause confusion everywhere. Make him shut him out. Okay, look at Edo State. The governor they push for grazing bee. Why they push for grazing bee for crying out for God's sake? What you concern Hausa Fulani grazing bee thing? Now you only want to be the APC governor wait there for South. We get many APC governor wait there for Yoruba states, Yoruba Southeast. They be Muslim self. They say they don't need anything grazing bee for them state. Why was Obaseki they push this bill on Edo? They force grazing bee for Edo. I felt of this thing, I said, look, Oshomole try for the first time. For the second time, use and steal money and use and fight his political enemy. And for him to cover all the loot where he loot now, for him to cover up, he go impose Obaseki on us. Look, Obaseki now they do like slave. They obey his slave master for Aso. Those El-Rufai, Oshomole, and Buhari for Aso than the people we put out for power. Why are you pushing for grazing bee? Because we know, say that Wuru, now you enter there. You the one use this grazing bee now. Take time the people who force you for government. But look, now the end I justify. What you they do now, tomorrow now you go rip am. Make you open your eye, have anything against you. But now the truth, now the talk. You are becoming a disgrace to Edo people now. All these things where people they do, they oppress people where they criticize you. Now their job, that is what democracy is all about. People must criticize your government. But look at what they do now. People don't criticize you. You try to give land to Hausa Fulani. If you give the land now, they don't become their local government. Now then they go come put base. Then they fight people where they for South East, the Biafra agitation people. From there they attack the South. You want to give the road, make they enter South. We don't want Hausa Fulani for body at all. Make they go graze their cow for Buhari state for that side. They say they get land more than us. Why are they coming to our state? Okay, the other day, Governor Otum of Benue, the same governor, where would they say, now we battle not guessing, now we battle governor, now be not guessing. When UN come greet the other day, if they tell you, say whether if it's possible for ask UN, make UN give them force, make they take fight this Hausa Fulani estimate come up for his state. They don't kill over 1,800 something people for his state, make many people homeless. He don't tire. The federal government know they help him. That's Wheelbarrow governor. What would they call Wheelbarrow governor? He don't want Fulani estimate for his state. Say they don't take almost 4 to 5 local government there. Now for Edo, Governor Obaseki, he give them land. They give them land. You want to use this one. Talk say in a loyal APC governor. You be supposed to be Edo State governor, not APC governor. That's why I stand against this thing where Oshomole can impose Obaseki on us. Even looking at Obaseki, you don't say door. You don't say door. I'm not come here to come yab you or to come curse you or to come talk to you or because I know say you never even reach a year. But now the truth that I tell you, this grazing being the wrong idea. Now a very wrong idea. Now so the other day, Governor Wike, he go they bow down for this northern Sokoto. All those things no right for people from leaders from the south. The other day, look now, the coordinator, we don't know himself, a professor of foolishness, Osiba just say Mugu must stay. A Senate say Mugu must go. Now so we not get the day. Presidency go to fight a Senate. Senate go fight presidency. Vice president they fight Kaba. Now this one we bargain for when we vote for power. Now this one that we bargain for. Even the Magu way Osibajo they say make he stay. Not be the same DSS write letter go give Senate twice say make them come out enough it. Really enough it. They ask him the other day how much we don't recover for this loot where they talk about. If he talk, he say he don't know. He say no. He foolishly talk say the other day say na the corrupt politician na they sponsor Biafra agitation. Na corrupt politician na they sponsor Biafra agitation. But you don't know they sponsor Boko Haram. Boko Haram don't kill almost 100 to 200,000 people for the northeast. Now he make over 1 million people homeless. You don't know the northern leaders where they sponsor that one, but you know who they sponsor Biafra. The time of freedom is now. Make we join together. Make we say no to this oppression. I support Biafra. And I like what Nnamdi Kanu is doing. He's not a coward. One love.